Hello guys, I hope you're all okay. This is your guy here, Forex Mind Academy. Yes guys, let's talk about the issue of verifying account in other countries like USA, Canada, Cuba, Netherlands, Hong Kong, Dubai, United Arab countries, all those countries that are actually restricted by DERIV. Yeah, I know there are a lot of people in those countries that are restricted and they actually want to be able to trade volatilities, boom and crash, step index, jump index, and so on. I know there are so many of you guys who wants to, but the fear of knowing that your account is restricted and they might actually block your account get to you. But I'm here as a solution, guys. It is possible to actually open and verify your DERIV account in those countries, in Dubai, in Canada, in USA, in Hong Kong, in Israel, in Australia, in Cuba, and in many more other countries, guys. I believe to see you can just Google it to find out which countries are actually restricted. So yes, it is possible to actually trade in those countries on DERIV. You can open and verify DERIV account. Here are the requirements. Number one, you're gonna need a VPN to hide your location. You register a VPN, you connect it to your smartphone or your laptop or your desktop, whatever that you'll be using. You connect it there, then you will be able to actually open DERIV account. Number two, verified DERIV account. If you are in those restricted countries, like those countries that I've mentioned and those that I did not mention, you can check on Google to find more other countries. If you are in those countries, you cannot use your identity, you cannot use your proof of address to actually verify your DERIV account. That is where I come in. That is the reason for my services that I've been doing for more than 2 years. It's almost 3 years now. You need me. You need VPN, number one. Number two, a full verified account. That is where you need me to actually verify your account. For more details, you're gonna actually find more details on the description below the video. Check the description. You'll also get my contact details, my Telegram details, and also my WhatsApp number, and I'll put my email also there. Yeah, you'll find you can contact me and we talk about it. As you can see on my YouTube channel, I have actually positive reviews. Yeah, this guy, I believe, was from Dubai. Very fast and efficient setup process, as I lived in a restricted area and was able to get access. Yes, I recommend to anyone who needs access to this. Thank you, Mr. Matipa. That's me, Mr. Matipa. Okay, yes guys, this one also, I believe he was from Dubai. I'm not sure. I ordered my DERIV account from Mr. Matipa and he expedited my order within 24 hours. Yes, so very quick, guys. Actually took only few hours, maybe 2-3 hours will be done. Will be done. I have many more positive reviews on my YouTube channel. Like I said, guys, you can find me on my YouTube, Forex Mind Academy. And for more information on how you can open and verify DERIV account in those restricted countries, check the description below. There are my contact details. Contact me, let me help you. Like I said, requirement, you need VPN and you also need me to help you with a full verified DERIV account. Some of you, your accounts actually are blocked. There are people who are trading on blocked accounts, blocked DERIV accounts. You opened your account and when they wanted documents, you try to submit fake documents, DERIV blocked your account. Or you didn't submit the documents, DERIV cannot allow you to withdraw. There are people who approach me with such problems of blocked accounts and I was able to help them. People came to me with frustrated, like with a lot of money in their DERIV accounts, money that they traded for Somebody came $70,000, $100,000, $5,000, like a lot of money, you see. But I was able to actually unblock their accounts and help them. So that is the reason for my service: help you with a verified account, and also help you unblock your account so that you can actually get access of those accounts that you worked, I mean those funds that you worked hard for. Yes, contact me. I'm your guy. I'll be able to assist you. Stay blessed, guys, and have a lovely day there.